Hello friends, welcome to the very first video of my channel Tech Life Nexus and my name is Aman and I'm an IT professional. मैं दिल्ली से belong करता हूँ और like many of you I have a love for technology and यही एक reason है ये channel create करने का because earlier I also used to have some blogs and all back in the day in Orchid days that we had. So communities and all, and I had a few big ones, especially I remember one with the name of Sony Ericsson India. So around 15-20,000 members थे उसके अंदर and we used to share posts and forums and there was everything and I really loved that time. So वो time तो चला गया खैर, but अभी के लिए there was a long gap and I hope to continue that in this medium now through YouTube. As I said, the motive यही रहेगा इस चैनल के थ्रू कि आप तक सारी नॉलेज, टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड पहुंचाई जाए और anything that you need you can let me know in the comments. This is the first video so I'll just stick to the intro for now. और टॉपिक्स जिनके बारे में हम बात करेंगे वो होंगे PCs, computers, laptops, smartphones, tabs, smartwatches, whatever based on the response. Also the software part which is apps, softwares and yeah, whatnot. Sky's the limit. Also most important thing is the gaming. I think we all love games. If we look back, we used to have Mario, Contra, और उसके बाद फिर 2000s there was like Midtown Madness. We had GTA, Vice City, San Andreas and till आज की modern AAA games like Far Cry 6, GTA 5 जो अब थोड़ा पुराना हो चुका है but still it's a great game and there's a lot of upcoming games, hopefully GTA 6, but let's say so हम उनके बारे में भी कवर करेंगे later on but we'll start with the basic things and whatever comes on the way. So let me know in the comments. Since this is my first video so please excuse any lighting or microphone issues अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है तो and definitely give me the feedback. I'll try to improve it in my next video that's coming very soon. I'll be talking about the super sale that's going on Steam. It's not actually called super sale, it's winter sale but उसमें कई awesome deals चल रही हैं. मैंने personally भी कुछ games purchase की हैं और those are amazing, great value for money per se and आपको भी पसंद आएंगी based on all the categories. मैं कुछ games definitely share करूँगा और recommend करूँगा आपको. Do check it out and I'll also provide the links in the comment section if possible and yeah, I think that's about it. If you like this video definitely share करो अपने friends के साथ और please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.